Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to link TradingView with Exness. It's important to understand that Exness does not currently offer direct integration with TradingView for placing trades. Therefore, the primary method involves using TradingView for your in-depth market analysis, and then executing your trades manually on your Exness MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 platform. This approach allows you to leverage the strengths of both powerful platforms. To implement this workflow, first conduct all your technical analysis on TradingView. Use its extensive indicators and drawing tools to pinpoint your trading opportunities. Once your analysis is complete and you've identified your trade setup, switch over to your Exness MetaTrader platform. There, you will manually input and execute your trades, ensuring they align with the strategy developed on TradingView. This two-step process ensures precision. As a convenient alternative, Exness offers its own Exness terminal, which integrates charting powered by TradingView. This means you can access many of TradingView's popular indicators and drawing tools directly within the Exness platform. This built-in solution allows for a more streamlined experience, letting you analyze and execute trades from a single interface, available on both web and mobile applications. By combining TradingView's robust analytical capabilities with Exness's efficient execution, you can significantly enhance your trading strategy. Remember to set up alerts on TradingView to prompt your manual trade placements on Exness. Alternatively, the Exness terminal offers a cohesive environment with TradingView-powered charts. This dual approach ensures you get the best of both worlds for informed and effective trading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.